Welcome to our guide for the perfect 4-day itinerary on Oahu, Hawaii. Whether you're planning a relaxing escape, an adventurous journey, or a mix of both, this itinerary has got you covered. From pristine beaches to stunning hikes, famous landmarks, and unique local experiences, here's everything you need for an unforgettable trip to Oahu. On your first day, take it easy and head to the world-renowned Waikiki Beach. This is the perfect spot to settle into vacation mode, whether you're lounging on the sand or taking a refreshing dip in the ocean. Watch the surfers carve through the waves, it's mesmerizing and relaxing at the same time. If you're into drone photography, this is an excellent place to capture some breathtaking aerial shots of the coastline and surfers from above. Day 2 starts with an adventurous yet laid-back hike at the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail. This trail is fully paved, so it's perfect for hikers of all skill levels. Along the way, you'll be treated to gorgeous views of the Pacific Ocean, and if you're visiting during the winter months, you may even catch sight of humpback whales off the coast. Once you've soaked in the views, head back to your resort to take full advantage of its amenities, whether that's a poolside, a spa treatment, or simply enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Your third day starts at the Plantation, one of Oahu's most popular attractions. Get the combo ticket for a train ride around the pineapple fields and explore the largest pineapple maze in the world. Don't miss trying their famous pineapple ice cream, it's a sweet treat that's perfect for cooling off. And if you're looking for souvenirs, the Plantation's visitor center has plenty of local products and gifts to choose from. Next, head to Shark's Cove, a top snorkeling spot known for its clear waters, coral reefs, and an abundance of tropical fish. It's also a fantastic destination for scuba diving, and when you're ready for a bite, there are food trucks nearby offering local favorites. As you drive along the coast, take some time to enjoy the beautiful beaches. Two of my favorites were Pahumoa Beach and Ka'awa Beach Park. The swing at Ka'awa Beach is a must-see, it's a picture-perfect spot to capture that island vibe. Make sure to reserve a ticket in advance for a tour at Kualoa Ranch, a paradise for movie lovers. Here, you'll walk through filming locations for iconic movies like Jurassic Park, Jumanji, and Skull Island. It's a fun way to explore the island's lush landscapes and live out your cinematic fantasies. In the evening, keep an eye out for free laua dance shows around Waikiki Beach. These traditional Hawaiian dance performances tell stories through graceful movements and vibrant costumes. It's a cultural experience that gives you a taste of Hawaii's rich heritage. Finish the day by enjoying the stunning sunset at Waikiki Beach and taking a peaceful stroll along Kalakaua Avenue, where you can shop, dine, or just soak in the lively atmosphere. On your final day, hit the road and drive around the island, stopping at scenic locations for those must-have photos. Start early at Honolulu Bay, a marine conservation area known for its incredible snorkeling. Keep in mind that Honolulu Bay requires a reservation, and slots fill up fast, so make sure to book ahead. Continue your scenic drive with stops at Lanai Lookout and the Halona Blowhole, where you can marvel at the ocean's powerful spray shooting through lava tubes. Finally, tackle the Diamond Head Crater hike. The trail offers panoramic views of the island once you reach but be prepared, it's a bit steep in places, so bring plenty of water and some snacks for the hike. Here are some quick tips to make your trip smoother. Oahu's weather can be unpredictable, so pack sunscreen and be prepared for some rain showers. To save money on essentials like water and snacks, stop by a local store instead of relying on resort prices. If your accommodation doesn't include free breakfast, you can grab something affordable from those same stores, helping you stay energized for your daily adventures. Thanks for watching. We hope this itinerary helps you make the most of your time in Oahu. If you found this guide helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and destination ideas. Aloha, and enjoy your trip to paradise.